Today I'm going to show you how the Tracelight Platform supports a full commercial due diligence project from start to finish. So we start at the beginning of a CDD project with the materials a team already has. So that's a project scoping document here. You have account level financial data and other data files. From there, the user can bring everything into Tracelight by uploading files or by connecting to SharePoint and then begin working in one place. The first step is getting the data into shape. So instead of manually cleaning files and inspecting outputs line by line, the user can run a data cleaning workflow and review the results directly in the platform. From there, they can use Tracelight's spreadsheet apps to explore the data, segment it, and understand what the numbers are saying. The goal here is to spend less time digging through the Excel cell by cell, and instead to move you straight to the so what. So once the data is understood, the user can move to the next phase. If they need to prepare questions for a management Q&A, they can work collaboratively with Tracelight to develop those questions, review supporting citations, and turn that work into a Q&A document. That means less time switching between files and more confidence that the questions are grounded in the underlying analysis and data. From there, the user can move into market sizing. So many firms already have their own internal approach to this work. So the experience is designed to fit around that. The user can refer to expert call data, execute a skill, and review a plan with Tracelight, align on the approach, and then move ahead and do the analysis. The market sizing model is complex, as you would expect. So Tracelight helps the user to understand the model rather than just generate it. For example, here, the user can create an interactive driver tree built directly from the spreadsheet. They can click into any number and trace it back to its source in Excel. So instead of losing time trying to reconstruct or understand the model logic within the spreadsheet, they can understand the key drivers and focus on interpreting the results. Once the team is comfortable with the analysis, they can move directly into report creation. So Tracelight can generate presentations using a firm's custom PowerPoint template and report generation workflows. For the user, the value is not just speed, but it's continuity. So the numbers in the presentation remain tied back to the spreadsheet analysis that produced them. So the final deliverable is connected and traceable and easier to trust. The experience is also flexible at the last mile. So you can work with PowerPoint in our platform, or you can go down into PowerPoint itself and work from there if you prefer. If you want to create a new slide, you can draw that out by hand if you want. You can upload that file, and Tracelight will go ahead and build that out as a PowerPoint slide for you. By the end of the process, the user has moved from raw inputs and project scoping to clean data, structured analysis, Q&A preparation, market sizing, and final reporting inside one connected experience. So instead of producing isolated outputs across different tools, they can keep the work integrated from start to finish. And they can then share it forward, including in email updates to managers or to clients.